What does that mean?
Thank you so much.
Oh, okay. Hariya. I like how Cookie mentions your name. How are you doing today?
Please, I didn't hear you.
I said I like how Cookie mentions your name.
Oh.
Hariya.
Yeah, I also like it.
Yeah. How are you doing today?
I'm
You look
doing
well.
Yeah, I'm doing great. And you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What has your day been like?
We are shooting a magazine, so we are just so tired and stressed out.
But this seems to be your territory, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're having fun, I'm sure. Okay, this week what are you doing? What's your role in the house this week?
A cleaner. I'm cleaning this week.
Cleaning. Okay.
Last week I cooked, so this week I'm cleaning.
Okay, I see. How's your governor doing so far?
Tia,
Yes.
As I always say, being a governor is not easy.
You've been a governor before.
Yeah, so we understand ourselves.
Yeah.
So she's doing good.
Okay.
We understand the assignment.
Oh, that's great. Interesting. Have you changed rooms?
Yes, please.
So you moved from...
I'm still in the big room.
Okay. That's interesting. Now, last Sunday was a very interesting one.
Yeah.
So tell me about your performance.
Oh, I represented Ashanti region. Yeah. I spoke about some of their names given to their children. Yeah. And then some areas in the in Kumasi. Yeah, some areas in Kumasi that is given based on their ethnic groups due to the coexistence they have amongst other ethnic groups.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to have a peep at your performance on Sunday. I'm sure you haven't seen it.
Oh, no, please.
Okay, so let's see it together.
Okay.
My name is Nana Akosua Sika. Akosua Papepi. Akosua Huofe. And I am from the Oyoko clan in the Ashanti region. Now, if you see me adorned in this beautiful ornament, don't be surprised because I am from a region where gold is our authority. Now, Penny Fobu baby say, it's your door and the kowa hinemu. For relaxation purpose, you can visit my capital, Ashanti. You can visit my capital, Kumasi, the Menshia Palace and the Ochia Mountains. Now, Penny for baby say, Obinum edroma or yarifo, which means one don't take in medication for the sick. So, we the Ashantis can also boast of our talking drum, the Atupan, that is played during our festive occasion like the Akwadai Festival. It baffles me when I hear people say we the Ashantis are all knowing. And you say you try your home. That is why the current holder of the GMB crown, Safuwa Huofe, Safuwa Notewa, is from my region. Even our traditional, even our native. When you visit my capital, Ashanti, when you visit my capital, Kumasi, you will hear areas like Amulaga Junction, that is for the Voltarians. Fanti Newtown, that is for the Fantis, because we coexist with other ethnic groups. Even the ethnic groups can testify to our favorite food. My dressing won't allow me exhibit my drumming skills, but I can also live without showing you our traditional dance.
How do you feel watching yourself?
I feel great.
You think
I
you could
thought
have
I
done
did
better?
trash, but I'm proud of myself.
You're proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so give me a rating. On a
Come
scale of
again?
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
How well do you think you did?
8.
Okay, that
Yeah.
means there's just a little more room for improvement.
Yes, please.
Okay.
8.
Good thing is you have another chance at 8.
Yeah.
Afra was evicted last Sunday.
Yeah.
Tell me about your relationship with her. What do you know her for?
Afra is a sister and a friend. I really love her so much. She was one of the people who was so close to me. We used to have she tells me I'm her just mama.
Just mama?
Yeah, anytime she's asleep, I'll come. I'm from Makaya Sembio, woman can't throw away. She'll be like, Hariya, beats Mr. Oh, the Eka. And when I was performing the Ashanti region last week, anytime I used to be like, Afra, I'm paying for baby say. Abofra bon wa on ba chichibie. Hariya, you be kumiwate. I had that vibe with her, so she was like a sister. Yeah.
Clearly, you enjoyed your performance, and that's a very good thing. So there's a piece of paper with a very nice pen provided for you.
Okay.
So kindly pick it up. And per the instruction, you're supposed to give us your top 4 and last 2 contestants at the semi-final, excluding yourself.
I don't get you, please.
So per the instruction on the paper, first 4. So name me your top 4 and last 2 contestants.
Please, in the competition.
Yes, please.
Top 4.
Yes, please.
Please, I'm part of the top 4.
Yes, so you have a spot. So there are 6 spaces provided, so clearly you have a spot. So give us your top 4. We'll be back to you. Hello, Hariya.
Hi.
You're thinking hard. Hello.
Hi.
You don't look at me. Oh, your viewers want to see you. Okay, so I'm sure you're done filling the form. So kindly take me through the names you have. Kindly take me through the names you have.
But this is not fair.
Yes, I know.
Because everyone, I don't know. This is not fair. This is not fair.
Understand.
It's not fair.
I understand. You're not the only person. Don't worry. No hard feelings. It's just a perspective. So just take us through. Okay, so let's go. You'll be fine.
Honam.
Honam.
Yes.
Let's go.
Aiko.
Number 3.
Taya.
Number 4. Number 4.
This is so hard.
You're doing well. Number 4.
Please, can I ask a question?
Maybe after you mention the names.
Because I want to know something.
Okay, what is it?
Is it that the remaining 2, you don't want them among the top 4? I don't get it.
No hard feelings. You're thinking too much. Just, you have a list you've written.
Because I'm not okay. That is why I'm talking too much.
You're not the only person. You're not the only person. So number 4. Who was the number 4? You'll be fine, Hariya. Final 3. Which names do we have there?
Please, can somebody mention them for me?
No, please. You're almost done. You've done first 3, so let's do this quickly. Sweetheart, don't beat yourself up. So let's just do this real quick. 4, 5, and 6. Which names do we have there?
I'm Winnie.
And then 5.
Asedua.
And 6.
Nah.
Great. So, have a few minutes, to tell your people out there something nice. So, over to you now.
Come again.
You have a few minutes to tell people out there something really nice. So, over to you.
Metro Kagbanya Keke. I want to say a very big thank you for the support so far. In fact, Mana Magbanime represents.
Gather yourself together. It's not deep. It's not that deep, okay?
I love you all so much for supporting me. God bless you. A very big thanks to all my MPs, regional ministers, DC's assemblymen, to Team Hariya, to all the women groups in Bupe and Savannah region as a whole who are supporting me, to my friends and family, to my mom, my dad, everyone supporting me. God bless you. God bless each and everyone. To my chiefs, queen mothers, Akama, Asanu Kushu, for how far you people have brought me. Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Hopefully I'm going to see you next week. All the best on Sunday.